Hi class, Alex here. Today we're going to talk about the three questions for Module 7. Question number 1. In what area food, energy, or water procurement and use in your city most unsustainable and why? For question number 1, I decided to go with food. While conducting the research, we need to look at Turkey as a whole due to the import. I found that Turkey's top food imports category by supply in the fish and seafood sector, based on the 2016 numbers, Turkey import 54.96% of fish and seafood. Norway is number one supplier in this category and accounts for 27.32%, followed by Morocco with 18.45% and Spain with 9.19%, with a total estimated value of 172 million. For the processed fruit and veggies, even though Turkey is a massive agricultural producer, they import 52% of their fruits and vegetables from Thailand. While Hungary being their second largest import, they only count for 5% of the total volume. For snack foods, Turkey imports 54.5 of snacks. Turkey contributes to 32%, Netherlands with 12%, and Italy with 10.5%. You would think that the United States would make the list. The only thing that the US is dominant in this sector, you will say, is potato chips, with Frito-Lay and Pringles controlling over 90% of the sector. So they got a monopoly when it comes to chips right there, on my opinion, FYI. In the milk and dairy, Ireland and New Zealand together represent about 36.5%, with 400 tons of milk and dairy products imported in 2016. In the beef sectors, Bosnia and Herzegovina has been the largest beef supplier for Turkey, with 600 tons worth of beef every year. From the five food categories, sorry for that, I feel that the processed fruit and vegetables is the most unsustainable category. Even though Istanbul is a massive agricultural producer, they import 57% of processed fruit and vegetable in total, with Thailand accounting for 52% of the import. So if something happens, the relationship between Thailand and Turkey, imagine that 52% going out. So people can suffer on that section right there. So moving down to question number 2, which of the three areas does the city have the greatest potential to become more sustainable and why? I think Turkey can become more sustainable in the energy sector. In 2021, Turkey alone, natural gas agreement with Russia ended, and in 2025, this year, its second natural gas largest agreement with Iran would expire. It's going to expire. This gives the Turkish government to become more independent in their natural gas by exploring their own resources. There has been exploration opportunities in the Thrace Basin. It's the largest and thickest Cenozoic sediment basin in Turkey, and there have been several private companies leading to the role of natural gas around the Thrace Basin. So I'm hoping for Turkey as a whole that they're able to explore into those natural resources. And our last question, question number 3. What strategies could your city implement to become more sustainable with food, water, energy, and nexus? There are several strategies that Istanbul can implement to become more sustainable. In the food section, due to urban sprawl and climate change, Istanbul can start looking towards green agriculture, such as crop rotation and cover cropping, to help improve soil health and reduce erosion. The government can help provide financial assistance to farmers to help them implement sustainable agricultural practice. For water, Istanbul gets about 24 to 31 inches of rain a year. I would recommend introducing policy into rainwater harvesting, collect water from building, roof, or large public areas. And lastly, for the energy section, Now with their loan agreement, with Russia and Iran ending, I will start looking to more renewable energy policy and implementation, such as solar panel, hydropower, and like I mentioned before, then natural gas. Thank you. It's been great, those 7 modules with you guys. Take care.